happy little heathens. Welcome to the first video series from Norhala Books. We're starting out with Freyja's Fat Cats. Hello, Maya, Mia, and Maylee, and happy birthday, Izzy. Happy birthday, sweetheart. Here we go. Freyja said like Freyja. Freyja has two fluffy cats. One is fit, one is fat. Baigel's color is honey gold. Tregel's color is amber gold. I have some amber on my bling. Baigel likes to run and play. Tregel sits around all day. Baigel likes to exercise. Tregel wants to stay inside. Baigel eats healthy snacks. Tregel takes long naps. Baigel does his jumping jacks. Tregel eats junk food snacks. Baigel is fast with energy. Tregel is slow with lethargy. That's what happens when you eat junk food. You get tired. Baigel says, "Let's go play." Tregel answers, "Not today." Baigel wants to help his friend start an active, healthy trend. Baigel knows that it's not shrewd to sit around and just eat food. Baigel has a plan that's great to help Tregel lose the weight. First, I'll teach you foods to eat, what is healthy, and what are treats. Good food, fish and eggs, lots of protein, and donuts. I will show you how to exercise so we can go and play outside. Baigel likes to help his friend work hard to get in shape again. Now Freyja has two fluffy cats. Both are fit, and that is that. Everybody's fit and happy. Did you know Friday is named after Freyja? In Nordic and Viking history, Freyja lives in Asgard with her soulmate Odr. Odr and Freyja have two daughters, Nasi and Gersemi. Nasa's reading buddy is a bookworm named Codex. Gersemi's friend is a snowy owl named Not Ata. Freyja's cats, Baigel and Tregel, are Norwegian forest cats. They are very large cats with long, fluffy hair. Mine's over there. Milton, do you want to come say hello? Norwegian forest cats are adapted to living where it gets cold and going out in the snow. Say hi, Milton. He's not quite a Norwegian forest cat, but he is Freyja's cat. And he's a big baby. Do you love the cat book? You love the cat book? Look at the cats. Beigel and Schregel eat healthy and stay active. These books even come with a pronunciation guide that comes in handy for Americans that try to do Old Norse, Icelandic words and names. Visit norhala.com for more Norse children's books. Subscribe and tap the bell so I can read them to you. Read along with me. See you guys next week.